Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by being deliberate. Confirm why you must change Google Antivirus behavior, troubleshooting, app testing, or compatibility. Back up your files now because once protections change, risk rises. Make sure you are signed into an administrator account and that recovery options are current. This prevents lockouts. Once ready, gather the device model and OS version so you can consult official guidance. Proceed only with a clear rollback plan and time set aside for verification. Next, use only the system's built-in security controls or the official Google support flow. Do not install unverified tools. Make temporary adjustments, then test the exact behavior you need to observe. This reduces exposure. While you change settings, log every step and the time you made the change so you can undo it precisely. If you encounter prompts or warnings, pause and consider contacting official support. This controlled approach lets you achieve your goal without unnecessarily compromising the device. Finally, once testing or troubleshooting is complete, revert all security settings to their original state immediately and run full system scans to confirm integrity. Make sure updates are applied and verify that apps behave as expected. If you cannot restore normal operation, restore the backup or contact official vendor support for guided assistance. One key troubleshooting tip: if the device shows unexpected behavior after changes, re-enable protections first, then proceed with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.